Yes, hello students, come to the class number 28. 28th class. Let us will discuss today also 5 marks questions. Let us will go for the 5 marks questions by using from the transformation formula, from the sum and difference formula and the product formula. Whatever we are calculating, that sin C plus sin D, sin C minus of sin D, cos C minus cos D, cos C plus cos D, product formula. Let us, I will write the product formula today. Sin X into cos Y, 1 by 2 into sin of X plus Y plus of sin of X minus Y, cos X into sin Y, 1 by 2 into sin of X plus Y minus of sin of X minus Y, cos X into cos Y, cos of X plus Y plus of cos of X minus Y, product of cos, product of sin and cos and sin, and cos, sin and sin, sin X into sin Y, sin and cos and sin, cos and cos, sin and sin. So here the two different angles, X and Y are the two different angles for the any angles. So sin X into sin Y minus 1 by 2 into cos of X plus Y minus of cos of X minus Y. So these are the 4 product formula, and you know very well the 4 sum formula: sin C plus sin D, first sin, then cos, sin C minus sin D, first cos, then sin, cos C plus cos D, both cos, cos C minus cos D, both sin with negative sign, both sign with negative sign. See the students, these only the formulas here we have transformed. These formulas here we have transformed. The product forms in terms of sum form and sum form in terms of product form, sum and product forms. So let us will go for the next examples. Prove that cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus cos 3x into cos of 9x by 2 is equal to sin 5x into sin of 5x by 2. Sin 5x into sin of 5x by 2. Let us see the students. Product form it is cos into cos, cos x into cos y, cos 2x into cos x by 2 minus of cos 3x into cos of 9x by 2. X and y, cos x, cos y, cos x, cos y. You have to prove in terms of sin. Sin 5x into sin of 5x by 2. Whatever it may be. Let us take LHS. Cos 2x cos x by 2 minus cos 3x cos 9x by 2 cos of 9x by 2. Applying the product formula for both the terms, respectively for both the terms. Product formula. What is the product formula? Cos x into cos y equal to this formula applying here. 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y plus of cos of x minus y. So applying the product formula, 1 by 2 into cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. X is to x, y is x by 2. Similarly, minus as it is. Here again 1 by 2 into, this is also cos x into cos y formula. The same formula applying here. Cos x plus y. X is 3x, y is 9x by 2 plus cos 3x minus of 9x by 2, 9 of x by 2. Here respectively I have applied this cos x into cos y formula. Here product formula we have applied. See the students, this step is important. Cos x plus 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y plus of cos of x minus y. Minus as it is. Again here cos x into cos y form. 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y plus of cos of x minus of y. Plus of cos of x minus y. Simplification. 1 by 2 into, see the students here, 2 LCM here, 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus x, 5x by 2. Simplification. 2x plus x by 2, 2 LCM, 4x plus x, it is 5x by 2. Simplification. Plus of cos of 2 into 2, 4x, 4x minus x, 3x by 2, 3x by 2, minus 1 by 2 into, minus 1 by 2 into, cos of 2 LCM here. Similarly here also, 3x plus 9x by 2, 2 LCM, 6x plus 9x, 15x by 2. See, 6x plus 9x is equal to 15x by 2. 15x by 2. You may separately calculate and then you substitute it, or you directly you may write it. 2 is LCM here, 6x plus of 9x, 15x divided by 2. Similarly, plus of cos of, see here, 6x minus of 9x, 3x. Which one? Minus 3x. Minus 3x by 2 because of 6x minus 9x minus 3x by 2. Close the bracket. This is a simplification, students here. This is a simplification. I think you are getting the. Now see the term 1 by 2 cos 5x by 2 plus cos 3x by 2. Shall I take this 1 by 2 common outside here? This 1 by 2 for both 1 by 2 multiples here. Then taking inside a bracket here, this one is taking here 1 by 2. This is minus sign, minus cos 15x by 2. This is minus of, plus here, minus it is also. What is cos of minus theta? What is cos of minus theta? Is it a plus cos theta? This minus sign as it is. Clear all of you the students here? This 1 by 2 I have taken common here. This minus term, this is also minus term, but this is minus of theta. Cos of minus theta becomes plus cos theta. You know very well. Cos of minus theta, sec of minus theta are positive. Remaining all the terms getting negative. All the sine of minus theta, minus sine theta, cos of minus theta, plus cos theta, tan of minus theta, minus of tan theta, except cos and sec, remaining all the functions are negativities. Now see, plus cos 3x by 2 minus cos 3x by 2 get cancelled here. Same term get cancelled here. 1 by 2 into, see what remain? Cos 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2 it is. Cos c minus cos d, want in terms of sine also, cos c minus cos d, see the formula of cos c minus cos d. So this is in the form of difference formula you get here, after the simplification, here you get difference formula here, cos c minus cos d. What is cos c minus cos d? Both sign with negative sign. Let us apply the formula here, both sign with negative sign, 1 by 2 as it is, minus 2 into c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2 into sine C minus d by 2. C minus d by 2, 5x by 2, 15x by 2, divide by 2. See this simplification, you can make that clearly. I will remove all these formulas, students here. Here I will remove the formulas here, all the formulas. Let us see. You know very well, many times we have discussed. Yes. Now this is equal to, see, this 2 and 2 get cancelled here, product it is, this minus and remain here, minus of, see the inside of bracket what it is, simplification, sine of, see the students here, first 2 LCM here, 5x plus 15x, 20x, 20x by this 2, 10x, 10x by this 2, 5x. Are you getting the students here? That simplification. Here I will make here first 5x plus 15x by 2 whole divided by 2. That once again that I am here separately making that simplification, students here. See the LCM is this 2 as it is. This 2 as it is. Here this is 2 is there again. 5x plus 15x, 20x. 20x by 2, 10x. 20x by 2, 10x. Divided by 2. How much it is? 5x. This is equal to 5x here. Similarly, minus sign it is. Minus sign. See the minus sign? Minus it is. How much it is? Minus 10x. Minus 10x. Minus 10x by 2 it is how much it is? 5x remain here. Which 5x? Minus 5x. Sine of minus 5x by 2. Sine of minus 5x by 2. See the simplification, students here? C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2. Simplification, C plus D by 2, C minus of D by 2. C plus D by 2 and C minus of D by 2. Next. Then simplify here, you will get the answer result. Minus of, this minus sign I have taken, sin 5x into, what is sin of minus theta? Just only I have discussed here. What is sin of minus theta? Minus sin theta. So this negative sign comes outside here. Minus of sin of 5x by 2. This minus minus becomes plus. This minus of minus becomes plus, it is sin 5x into sin 5x by 2. This is your RHS. This is your RHS here, sin 5x into sin of 5x by 2. This is the RHS here, sin 5x into sin of 5x by 2. This is your LHS and RHS it is. We have taken the LHS and we have completed the RHS. Next. We will go for the next example. 5 marks questions. So these are the 5 marks questions, students here. Just here first what we have done, product formula applied here for these 2 terms, and here 1 term get cancelled here, and 2 terms remain here. That is in the form of difference sin C minus, cos C minus cos D. Then we have applied cos C minus cos D, simplified, you will get the result. This much only it is. Like that you have to summarize after completion of the problem. You should summarize what we have done, how we get the result. So you should summarize the students here. After completion of this, some 5 marks questions, so some big questions, you have to summarize after completion of the problem. The next, come to the next example. Come to the next example. See the next example. We'll go for the next example. See this one. If tan x equal to 3 by 4, tan x given here, x lies in pi to 3 pi by 2, it means more than pi, more than 180, less than 3 pi by 2 means 270. So more than 180, less than 270 means it is what? In the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is positive only, this given value also positive. See what he asked, find the value of sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. I will write here only. Find the value of sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan of x by 2. Let us see in terms of half angles he asked. He given whole angle, tan x, x angle given. Tan x is given 3 by 4. He asked in terms of half angles. You should convert in terms of half angles and you have to calculate sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. Tan of x by 2. Now first you have to see x by x is in the third quadrant. You have to see x by 2 is in the which quadrant? X is in the third quadrant. You have to see this angle, half angle is in which quadrant? Let us see. Solution. Say given given tan x equal to 3 by 4, tan x equal to 3 by 2, and x lies between pi to 3 pi by 2, pi to 3 pi by 2. Now you have to see all these three, which quadrant they lies in which quadrant. You have to see their sign, plus, positive or negative. So see x by 2 you have to see the students. Here I have done x by 2, half angle I have done. So what I have taken for this inequality, I have taken half, I have done half, x is there half. So you have to make for this inequality, you have to make half, it is also 3 pi by 2, it becomes 3 pi by 4, pi becomes pi by 2. It means what? More than 90, less than 135 degree. More than 90, less than 135 degree. So this half angle, this x by 2 angle, so this angle where it lies, more than 90 and less than 135 degree means which is in the second quadrant. You know the quadrant very well. 0 to 90 here, 90 to 180 here, 180 to 270. We have studied detail. 270 to 360. Yes, this is what? More than 90, less than 3 pi by 4 means how much it is? 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 converting in terms of degree. 180 by pi. 4 4 is 16, 2 remains 4 5 is 20, 3 into 30, 3 into 45. Is it a 135 degree? So it is more than 90, less than 135 degree. Which quadrant it is? Which is lies in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, so therefore the angle x by 2 lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Lies in second quadrant. Now according to that, you should take in the second quadrant sin x by 2 positive or negative? Positive. In the second quadrant, the cos x by 2 positive or negative? Negative. These two are negative and this is only positive here. Now you have to go for this formula, x by 2 formula. You have to convert x by 2 formula. So it means that the angle x by 2 lies in the second quadrant. You get here. So the angle x by 2, whatever you have to calculate now, that angle lies in the second quadrant. But x lies in the third quadrant. The angle x lies in the third quadrant. X by 2 lies in the third quadrant, x by 2 lies in the second quadrant. Clear all of you? Second quadrant. This is third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. Now see, you have to reduce the formula for x by 2. Yes, you have to transform the formula in terms of x by 2. You have to transformation formula. This sub multiple angles, I have told now, multiple angle. 2 is multiplied with the angle, multiple angles, 2x, 3x, 4x, these are the multiple angles. Sub multiple angle, x by 2, sub multiplication, these are the sub multiplications, sub multiple angles. You will reduce the formula, that you will convert the formula, transform the formula in terms of sub multiple angles. Now see the students here, we know that cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. You know this is one of the cos 2x formula. You have 4 different formulas. In that I have taken in terms of sine. I will reduce this in terms of half angles. I will reduce this formula in terms of half angles. Cos x, 2x is the half angle, x. 1 as it is. But 1 is not half, you don't write like that. Only the angle reducing. 2 into sine square of x by 2. Are you getting the students, sir? Here we have reduced the formula in terms of half angles, transforming into half angles. 2x we have written as x, x we have written as a x by 2. Taking this side plus 2 sin square x by 2, 1 minus cos x it is, 1 minus cos x. Therefore, sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x by 2, 1 minus cos x by 2. Clear all of you it is? So cos 2x formula, we have taken the formula here. Cos 2x in terms of sine formula, you know one of the formula. Here we have reduced this angle 2x as a x, this x as a x by 2, half angles, converting in terms of half angles, converting in terms of a half angles here. So 2x as a x as a x by 2, and this minus 2 sin square x by 2. Taken this side plus it becomes this cos x, taken this side minus it is 1 minus cos x, sin square x by 2 is equal to this 2 is taken as well. What you want? Sin x by 2 you want. Sin x by 2 you want. Let us see sin x by 2. So therefore, Therefore, sin x by 2 is equal to sin of x by 2 is equal to plus or minus under root of 1 minus cos x by 2. Now you have to take either positive you should take or negative you should take. X by 2 lies in the which quadrant it is? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant it is positive. You should take positive value. So in that, so you should take positive values. So what you need? Cos x you need. What you have? Tan x. Is it possible to find tan x is given? Is it possible to find cos x? If any one of the function is given, you have to find the other 5 trigonometry functions you have to calculate it starting. Find the values of the other 5 trigonometry functions as calculated. You may go through using the formula or anyone. So now next, what is given here? Tan x. We know that. To finding cos x you have to find. You have one of the identity 1 plus tan square x equal to secant square x. If you get secant, then you will get cos. Secant calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ secant calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. You will get cos. That cos will substitute. One of the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. I have taken one of the identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. This identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. The next. Now see, substitute here 1 plus. What is tan x? 3 by 4. Square 9 by 16 is equal to secant square x. Is equal to secant square. Therefore, secant square x equal to, simplify this one. 16 LCM, 16 plus 9, 25 by 16. 25 by 16. Therefore, secant x equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. Therefore, cos x equal to reciprocal of this plus or minus 4 by 5. Cos x equal to plus or minus 4 by 5. X is in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Cos is in the third quadrant, positive or negative? Cos is, x is in which quadrant? Don't confuse the students here. Don't confuse the students here regarding x and x by 2. Cos x, you need cos x value. Then x is given which quadrant? It is given third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos positive or negative? Negative. So neglecting positive value, considering the negative value, cos x equal to minus 4 by 5. Cos x equal to minus 4 by 5. Substitute in this formula, you get your result. Therefore, sin x by 2 equal to, you should take plus or minus, positive it is. Positive you should take, then 1 minus, what is cos x? Minus 4 by 5. Divided by 2, this is equal to positive, simplification here, minus of 4 by 5, minus of 4 by 5. Don't confuse the students here. Positive it is plus of 1 minus cos x. What is cos x value here only? Cos x it is, what you have taken negative value it is. See the negative value, substitute here. Minus 4 by 5 divided by 2. Sin x by 2 equal to positive of 5 LCM here. 5 minus of minus plus 4, 9 by 2. So how much it is? Sin x by 2 is equal to root of 9 by 10. This 5 comes to the denominator. It is 3 by root 10 plus positive it is 3 by root 10. Sin x by 2 is equal to 3 by root 10 plus positive values. Because of second quadrant, each lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin x by 2 is a positive. This is no confusion here. This is regarding the third quadrant and this is regarding the second quadrant. This is the second quadrant value. This is the third quadrant only where x is negative in the third quadrant, and in the sin x by 2 second quadrant, in the second quadrant x by 2 is positive. It is sin x by 2 is positive. So therefore 3 by root 10. Next, similarly we will go for the cos x by 2 value here. Cos x by 2 value here. Let us will go for the cos x by 2. Shall I remove this one, students, here? I think you have completed. Now I will go for the cos x by 2. Similarly, you will go for the cos x by 2, students. Yes. Cos of x by 2, we will go for the cos x by 2. We will reduce the formula for the cos x by 2. I will remove this one. Yes. What we have taken for sin x by 2, in terms of sin formula I have taken. Let us see for the cos what you have to take. Now see the students, we know that to find this cos x by 2, Cos 2x only you have to consider. 2 cos square x. But because it is easy to reduce the half angles, 2x ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ half angle ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ x ಬರ್ಕೋಕೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ in terms of cos, you want cos reduce in terms of half angles, cos x, 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Therefore 2 cos square x by 2 is equal to this plus minus 1 taking this side, plus 1 plus cos x. Therefore cos square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos x by 2 divided by 2. 1 plus cos x by 2 divided by 2. So therefore cos x by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 plus cos x by 2. What is the difference here? This is minus and this is plus. You should remember both the formulas. This is minus ada, this is plus ada. You should remember the sin x by 2 formula, cos x by 2. These are the two formulas of sin x by 2, cos x by 2. With depending upon, you should take positive and negative. With depending upon, you should take positive and negative. This is the sin x by 2 formula and cos x by 2 formula, half angle formula. Remember the formula, students here. Now next, we'll go for that value here. Already we have cos x calculated. Either you should take positive or negative here. Cos x by 2 in the second quadrant, where it lies x by 2 in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos x by 2 positive or negative, negative it is. So you should take negative value. Negative root of 1 plus, what is cos x? Minus 4 by 5 divided by 2. Cos x by 2 equal to minus of 1 minus 4 by 5 divided by 2. Cos x by 2 equal to minus of 5 LCM it is 5 minus 4 1 by 5 divided by 2. This is minus of 1 by 10 it is. Therefore cos x by 2 is equal to minus of 1 by root 10. Minus of 1 by root 10. Cos x by 2 value it is root 1 it is. Cos of x by 2. Clear all of the students here? Cos of x by 2 it is. Cos x by 2. Similarly, what you have to calculate? Tan x by 2 value here. What is tan x by 2? You see the tan x by 2 value. We'll go for the tan x by 2. What you get as sin x by 2? 3 by root 10. 3 by root 10. Now tan x by 2 you want. This is we have calculated. This one we have calculated. Negative we have taken. Therefore tan x by 2 equal to, you know very well, sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. You have, because of you have these two values. Substitute directly, you will get tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is equal to, what is sin x by 2 you get? 3 by root 10 you get. Positivity. What is cos x by 2? Minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 10. This root 10 get cancelled here. What is the remaining here? So therefore tan x by 2 equal to minus 3 it is. Tan x by 2 is equal to minus of 3. This is, I think, clear, the students here. I hope it is clear, all of you. Sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. Here the thing is that formulas you should remember here. See, to get a cos x by 2, which one I have considered? In terms of cos form I have considered. To get a sin x by 2, what I have considered? In terms of sin formula I have considered. And I have reduced in terms of half angle. I have reduced in terms of half angles. It is 2x as a x, x as a x by 2. There also I have reduced in terms of half angles. So this is what? Sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan of x by 2. Tan of x by 2. The next I will go for the next example, students. I will go for the next example. You go through once again the students this example. So here formula is also reduced. Formula also reduced and converted half angles. And that quadrant also we have seen which quadrant it is lies. X is given here. Using that x, we have taken x by 2 where it lies. And with depend upon that quadrant, we have taken the sign and we have calculated the values. The next, come to the next example. Prove that. Come to the next example. Prove that cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square of x minus pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus of cos square of x minus pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. See the students here, you don't have in terms of cos square c plus cos square d formula. You have only cos c plus cos d formula. Yes, you have only cos c plus cos d formula, cos c minus cos d form, sin c plus sin d form, and product formula sin x into cos y, cos x into sin y, cos x into cos of y, sin x into sin of y. You have in terms of products and in terms of sum, but you don't have in terms of squares, cos square c, cos square d, but here some of the three terms you have to prove it as a 3 by 2. Let us, we will go for the first, we will reduce the formula here. Let us see the formula here, solution. We will reduce the formula first. Which formula you have to take for this cos square x? Now see the students, cos square x it is. Cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Are you get here cos square x? Cos 2x formula, what of the cos 2x formula? Are you get cos square x? If it is supposed to be sin x, sin square x, in terms of sin square, you should take in terms of sin form, this form. You have a different 4 types of formulas. Yes, you have a different 4 types of formula of this cos 2x. You have different 4 forms of the formula. 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x, cos square x minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and 2 cos square x minus 1. I have told in the while reducing these formula, while calculating the formula, according to, depending upon your need, you should take out of these 4 formulas here. So you need cos square x. Which one you have to take? This one, in terms of cos form. I will remove all these for the confusion. Clear all of you? To avoid the confusion. Yes, cos square x you want. Therefore, reducing this formula in terms of cos square x, 2 cos square x equal to minus 1, taking this side plus 1, it becomes 1 plus cos 2x. 2 cos square x equal to what it is? 1 plus cos 2x. What do you want? Cos square x. Cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Is it clear all of you students here? Cos square x equal to 1 plus cos of 2x. 1 plus cos of 2x. 1 plus cos of 2x. Is it clear all of you students here? Cos square x. Similarly, suppose to be I will reduce the same formula for sin square x. What you should remember? You remember this formula? Shall I reduce this as in terms of half angle also? Cos square x by 2, half angle. X as a x by 2, 2x as a x. Just we have taken this formula only. Just we have taken this formula only. We have taken this formula only. Now let us see. Cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Reduce that you required in terms of sin square x. 2 sin square x, that minus, you have taken this side, plus, is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Very, very important, these 2 formulas here you will use many times in the integration second PUC class and in the differentiation second PUC class. You need the formulas here. These 2 sin square x equal to minus ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯಿತು 2 sin square x cos 2x ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೈನಸ್ cos 2x ಆಯಿತು. Therefore sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Very, very important these formulas. See, remember here, you remember the difference, students. You remember the difference. Cos square x, 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Sin square x, 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Same it is, only the sign plus minus here. For cos positive and for sin square negative. Reduce this one in terms of half angles. Sin square x by 2, just what we have taken in the previous example. Sin square x by 2 reducing here is equal to reducing this also. Here reducing this also 1 minus 2x is x. divided by 2. Is it we have taken? Root of we have taken. In terms of root we have taken cos x by 2 equal to plus or minus root of 1 plus cos x by 2, sin x by 2 equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos x by 2. With depend upon the sign, with depend upon that particular angle, you should take positive and negative. You should take the positive and negative. Remember the students here, both the formulas are very, very important. You need many times these two formulas. These two formulas very, very important here. Once again, I have derived the formula, these two formulas, sin square x by 2, cos square x by 2, cos x by 2, sin x by 2. In terms of cos square x, in terms of sin square x, in terms of cos square x and in terms of sin square x. Clear students here? So here I have reduced the formula in terms of sin square x by 2 and cos square x by 2. Then I will go for the proof of this formula. Sorry, this example, the proof of this example. You need only cos square x. You need only cos square x. Substitute here. LHS is equal to this in the LHS 1 plus cos 2x by 2. LHS I will take. I will write down the LHS, so don't confuse. LHS is equal to cos square x plus cos square of x plus pi by 3 plus cos square of x minus pi by 3. Here I will substitute here cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2 plus cos square of x. What is x here? X plus pi by 3. 1 plus cos of 2x. 2 into what is x? X plus pi by 3 divided by 2. Clear all of you? X as you were here only x. Here x is how much? X plus pi by 3 angle. 2 times of this much. Plus of 1 plus 2 into x. X minus pi by 3. X minus of pi by 3 divided by 2. See, when sin square x, this is negative. This should be negative, whatever it may be. Yes, clear all of you the students here? I hope you are getting this one. Next, I will take here. Next one. Now see this one. Here see, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, is it common for all the terms here? 1 by 2 here I have taken one more step, I will write here only. 1 by 2 is common here. 1 by 2 is common. How many ones? 3 ones. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 ones it is. Plus cos 2x. This is taken here. 3 it is. Plus. See how much it becomes. Take 2 inside the bracket it is. Take 2 inside the bracket in this bracket. 2x plus 2 pi by 3. 2x plus 2 pi by 3. Plus cos of 2x minus 2 pi by 3. Cos of 2x minus 2 pi by 3. Cos of 2x minus of 2 pi by 3. So this is what? This is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 2x. Sorry, 3 plus 3 plus. Yes. Now see, is it possible to apply cos C plus cos D formula? It is. Without square term. Cos C plus cos D formula. Now this cos 2x as it is here I will. This cos 2x as it is, I will apply for these two terms cos C plus cos D. C is 2x plus 2 pi by 3, D is 2x minus 2 pi by 3. I will apply cos C plus cos D for these two terms. Plus of 2 into cos C. C is how much? 2x plus 2 pi by 3 C. Plus D is how much? 2x minus 2 pi by 3. Divided by 2, C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, C minus D, I have taken bracket here because of minus a. C plus D by 2, it is C minus D by 2. Both cos. Applying some formula cos C plus cos D. Let us see cos C plus cos D, both cos. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Close the bracket. Close the bracket here. Simplify it. You will get the result. 1 by 2. 3 plus cos 2x plus of 2 into, see, cos of how much it is? Plus 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. Is it get cancelled? Plus 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 get cancelled, students here. 2x plus 2x, 4x. 4x by 2, 2x. Clear all of you? Similarly, in this product, into cos of, see, plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. Minus of minus plus 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 divided by 2, 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. So you need the value of cos 2 pi by 3. This is equal to 1 by 2, 3 plus cos of 2x, 2 into cos of 2x, cos 2 pi by 3. Shall I write pi minus pi by 3? 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3. 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x plus cos 2x. What is cos pi minus pi by 3? Which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, no changes here. 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, no changes. The function is same. In the second quadrant, cos positive or negative? Negative it is. Minus of cos pi by 3. Clear all of you? Pi minus pi by 3. Second quadrant it is 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos 2x plus 2 into cos 2x. What is cos pi by 3? 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 it is. These two get cancelled here. Plus 2 get cancelled here. What it becomes? Minus cos 2x. 1 by 2. 3 plus cos 2x. Is it a minus cos 2x? This is minus to cos 2x. Plus cos 2x minus cos 2x get cancelled here. What remains the students here alternatively? Is it only 3 remains? Outside 1 by 2. How much the answer it is? 3 by 2. This is your RHS students here. This is your RHS students here. Let us repeat once again the students here. So cos square x formula, this is cos square x formula. We have substituted cos square x formula. Here x is a x plus 2 pi by 3. You have taken the bracket here. X as a x plus 2 pi by 3. 2 times of x plus pi by 3, 2 times of x minus pi by 3. And in the next step we have simplified here. 2 taken inside the bracket. And we have applied for these two terms cos c plus cos d, both cos. We have applied cos c plus cos d for both the terms here. Cos c plus cos d, this one. C plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. Simplified here, 2 plus 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 get cancelled. 2x plus 2x, 4x by 2, it is 2x. Here 2x and 2x get cancelled. Minus minus plus 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 divided by 2, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is written as a 2 pi by 3 is written as a pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 it is. Second quadrant, negative cos. No changes, function remains. Pi by 3 means cos 60 degree. What is cos 60 degree? 1 by 2 it is. Minus 1 by 2. These two get cancelled. It cos 2x becomes what? Negative. This negative, this positive get cancelled here. So what remains here? Only 3. 3 by 2 remains. This is your RHS students here. So with this, I conclude the today's class students here. With this, I conclude the today's class. Let us you go through today's examples. So lengthy examples, today's example, little bit lengthy examples. You go through the students here, today's example once again. With this, I conclude the today's class. I continue in the next class students here. Thank you students. Thank you.